Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ali from ChimpaVision here. Today we are diving deep into the world of AI to explore a fundamental concept that's crucial to understanding how large language models work: tokens and tokenization. In the realm of AI language models, tokens are the fundamental units used to process and generate text. They can be words, parts of words, or even single characters, depending on the model and the language. For example, sentence ChimpaVision explores tomorrow, today can be broken down into tokens like this. Different models, different tokenizers. Now here's something crucial to understand. Each AI model, whether it's GPT-3, GPT-4, Cloud, or any other AI language model, has its own unique tokenizer. This means that the same piece of text might be tokenized differently depending on the language model you are using. For instance, the way Cloud tokenizes text might be totally different from how ChatGPT does it. These differences can affect how the models process and understand text and even impact their performance on certain tasks. Today we are going to focus on OpenAI's tokenizer as an example, but keep in mind that the principles we discuss apply broadly, even if the specific tokenization might vary between models. OpenAI's tokenizer. I've shared the link to OpenAI's tokenizer in the video description. This tool is invaluable for understanding how OpenAI's models like GPT-3.5 and GPT-4 process text. Let's take a closer look at what this tool shows us. Token count. The tokenizer displays the total number of tokens in your input text. This is crucial because most AI models have a maximum token limit for input and output. Character count. It also shows the number of characters, which helps illustrate that tokens don't always correspond directly to words or characters. Visualization. The tool color codes different tokens, making it easy to see how the text is broken down. Let's take a look at the example provided. This example beautifully illustrates several key points about tokenization. Common words often map to single tokens, but longer or less common words may be split into multiple tokens. Special characters like emojis can be tokenized into multiple tokens, representing their underlying bytes. Frequently occurring character sequences like numbers may be grouped together. Why tokenization matters? Understanding tokenization is crucial for several reasons. Efficiency. Breaking text into tokens allows AI models to process information more efficiently. Context window. The number of tokens an AI model can consider at once is its context window. More tokens mean more context for generating responses. Cost and optimization. Many AI services charge based on token usage. Understanding tokenization can help optimize your use of these services. The token economy. When you are using a service like GPT-4, you're actually spending tokens. Each query you make and each response you get uses up a certain number of tokens. It's like a digital currency exchange, but instead of dollars and cents, we are dealing with words and characters. Tokens in the wild. Let's look at some real-world applications. Chatbots. Tokenization helps AI understand and generate human-like responses. Code completion. As a developer, you've likely used AI-powered code completion. These tools tokenize your existing code to predict and suggest the next likely tokens. Language translation. AI translators tokenize text in one language and reassemble it in another. The future of tokenization. As AI continues to evolve, so do tokenization methods. We are seeing models that can process longer sequences of tokens, leading to AIs with better memory and more coherent long-form outputs. Understanding tokens and tokenization gives us a peek under the hood of AI language models. It's a fundamental concept that impacts how we interact with and optimize our use of AI technologies. What are your thoughts on tokenization? Drop your insights or question in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on this. Until next time, this is Ali, your friendly neighborhood geek signing off. Stay curious, stay geeky, and remember, in the world of AI, every token counts.